Hello everybody, welcome to your BTC all-time high potential video. So what I have in front of me here right now is the weekly chart of BTC, and I want you to tell me what you see. Forget the volume, this isn't our normal chart, this isn't going to be the normal volume that you're going to see. Let's just look at the price for right now. BTC is poking up here. We've already breached the first high from back in 2021, so the second high in 2021 is what's left. And I don't really watch a lot of news, but I can tell you right now, people are on watch for this all-time high in BTC. People are nervous. People are wondering what's going to happen up here. What is going to happen up here? Is it going to be scary? Are we just going to hit it and then just dump straight back down? As I used the wrong tool, are we just going to dump straight back down? Does that look like almost anything we've seen on the chart? No, I don't see any of that. So you have a high right here, you pull back a little bit, you go right back through it, and then you go up higher, and then you have a little consolidation for a few weeks and it goes down. Then it goes back up, we try it, we stay up here for a couple of weeks, then it goes down. We're not just going to touch it and drop. That's not really how these things work. I'd be extraordinarily shocked if that's how this actually worked. More than likely, we are going to go straight through this. I'm reminded a little bit of 10,000 on the way up is really what this reminds me of. You're looking at, now this one's a particular big round number, but look what happened at 10,000. And I'm on the weekly time frame, so we get all the noise out of our heads, right? Look at the weekly time frame. This thing goes straight up to 20,000. It went straight up to 20,000. There was basically one larger blip on the daily chart from here, if I remember correctly. And I think we're going to do something like that. You know, here, what happened here when we hit to 20,000? Oh, little consolidation at 18,000, straight through 20,000. Oh, here, look, we just had a little consolidation over the weekend. It doesn't even show on this chart, but we did have a little consolidation. We're living through it right now, right? Oh, so what's going to happen here at 69,000, which is only, what, less than $4,000 away? You think we're just going to dive? No, we're going to go straight through this thing. That's pretty much what I think is going to happen. I think this was our consolidation. This was your opportunity to sell up here at 62,922 if you wanted to sell. I don't see a lot of selling pressure there. I don't see a lot of selling pressure at 50,000. Okay, the last time we really had a good shakeout was under the 40,138. And look what, ever since then, this has been a pretty darn good, that's crazy. Can I hit auto on that? I'm not sure what's going on there, but this has been a pretty good market ever since then. Kind of hard to see, but you got right there these red crosses here, pocket pivots on my chart. I'm not sure what's up with the histogram on this, but these red pocket pivots. After that, nothing but green pluses. Those are bullish pocket pivots. Look where those green pluses are right here. So we're in an excellent spot, ladies and gentlemen. I think this is going to go. It's going to right past 69,000. No one's going to believe it, and if you don't believe it, well, then you're part of the audience. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's take a look at a couple other things, but I think BTC is really the story here. I think this is really the thing that everyone's looking at, everyone's waiting for. You have to keep in mind, most of the general public doesn't even know about the names on my list here. We've got Solana, AVAX, Gala, Injective, Near Protocol, which is what we looked at last week. Most people don't even know what those are. Most people only look at this chart. And so this is the chart that actually matters, is Bitcoin. And we're going to go straight through 69,000, more than likely. And I don't know what level we're finally going to stop at again, but I don't know, 75, 80,000, maybe. You know, it's hard to say exactly how it's going to go, but you take a measured move from here, this last vertical movement, and you stack that on top of this 77.8. Oh, that was right. That's right in the middle of what I talked about. So I think we're going to get up towards this level. I think it's going to be relatively quickly. I think there's trades to be made. I think there's opportunity. I think past this, I think, you know, we keep going up a tremendous amount. I'm not going to go too deep into it, but I mean, this price action is extremely bullish. And to infer your feelings about the 69,000 high into the price action, which is extraordinarily bullish, would be a fool's errand. You need to be rock solid in what the chart is telling you. The chart is telling you something. Your opinion doesn't mean anything. It's pointless. My opinion is pointless. All of our opinions are pointless. It's the opinions of the people that actually put money to work, the silent majority that are represented in this chart. That's what matters. Our opinions are garbage. So Bitcoin 69,000, it'll be yesterday's news tomorrow, probably, or at least very soon. And ladies and gentlemen, I will see you tomorrow on Altcoin Buzz Trading.